All right, so in basic languages, the all or the Allah is like, okay, and it's like saying like, if you can be the man that came from prehistoric times. This is like all saying it within a simple language. All right, so the big bird that is the light bird is exchanged from the blue bird. So what you're seeing is a satanic representation in a children's show. Now watch this. The road runner they call a runaway. So if you can ooh the ah, do wop the runaway. See what I'm saying? Then you can sing the alphabet. That shit is fucked up. Right in the children's shows. Welcome to Grandmaster TV.